Adding a Bookmyshow ticket to Apple Wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Purchase and book tickets through the Bookmyshow app on your iOS device. After booking, you typically receive a confirmation email from Bookmyshow. Open this email on your iPhone or iPad. Then locate and open the email that contains your booking confirmation or ticket details. Within the email, there might be a link or a button that says Add to Apple Wallet or something similar. Tap on it. Then follow the on-screen prompts to add the ticket to your Apple Wallet. You might be asked to confirm the action or customize some details. If there's no direct link in the email, you can manually add the ticket to Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet application on your iPhone. Now tap the plus sign in the top right corner. After that, select Add to Apple Wallet or a similar option. Now choose the appropriate option to add a ticket or pass. Then enter the relevant details, such as the ticket information and any other required information. Confirm the addition to Apple Wallet.